How to combine Hotels.com gift cards or how to combine gift cards on Hotels.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can combine your gift cards on Hotels.com. Now the process is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your browser on your device, and there you want to head into this particular page where it says balance merge. What you can do is, if you have more than one Hotels.com gift card, you will be able to use this form to automatically combine gift cards into one card so that you can use it as a sort of payment. So here you can see, if you want to do it on a phone call, you can see, rather do this over the phone, please call the help number there. We'll be happy to help. And under it, it's written, have more than one Hotels.com gift card, use this form to automatically combine gift cards balances into one card. Now I'll leave the link to this page on the description, so be sure to check it out. From there you want to head directly into this page, and here you want to enter your two gift cards number. Now enter the first gift card number here, 16 digits number, and then enter the second and enter the pin code, and then you want to select I'm not a robot option and then tap on next, and then it'll ask you to type in your second gift card's number and the pin code. You want to type in that as well, and then you want to tap on the particular combine option. There you'll get the option to combine it. So once you do so, it might take some time, but you'll be able to combine the two gift cards. So this way you can combine Hotels.com gift cards. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.